How to retrieve Google Authenticator account. So the first thing that we're going to do is to open our email accounts here in our Google or desktop and go to your settings in the upper right hand corner. Now under settings, go to accounts and import, click on other Google account settings. Now once you've reached this page, go to security and then scroll down a bit and go to two-step verification. Once you've reached that page, click on get started. And by then, you would need to enter your password. Now, the next step that we're going to do is to simply continue. Now, once you've clicked on continue, you would need to have a code sent to your number, and then just click on send. Input the code that was given to you on your phone number, and after inputting it out, send and click to next. Alright, so the next part is that we're going to turn on our two-step verification. Now, to turn off, you could actually click this button up here, but what we're going to do for today is that we're going to focus on our Authenticator app and click on it. Now here you can set up your Authenticator and you can scan the QR code provided and link to your phone, new phone or your lost phone. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for watching.